Hello and welcome back to our channel where we discuss latest defense-related news. Our videos are now in multiple languages, please change your captions accordingly. Imagine a world where trust between nations is as fragile as a fighter jet's wing. India and the US are at a crossroads, and the stakes have never been higher. India has slapped penalties on GE Aerospace for failing to deliver engines for its indigenous light combat aircraft Mk1A, delaying the Indian Air Force's modernization plans. This delay has cast a shadow over the reliability of the US as a defense supplier, raising questions about future collaborations. India's reluctance to opt for an American fighter jet is deeply rooted in generations of distrust, a sentiment that has only been reinforced by recent events. Lockheed Martin and Boeing are vying to supply the IAF with 114 medium-role fighter aircraft, but the competition is fierce with contenders like the French Rafale and Swedish JAS 39 Gripen. In the past, India chose the French Rafale over American options, a decision influenced by historical ties and reliability concerns. Since independence, India has leaned towards Moscow for defense needs, while the US has armed Pakistan, creating a complex geopolitical landscape. The US-supplied F-16s in the Pakistan Air Force were deployed against India as recently as 2019, a fact that still resonates with IAF veterans. Despite its capabilities, the F-21, an upgraded F-16 designed for India, is unlikely to make the final cut due to lingering distrust. In August 2021, India signed a $716 million deal with GE for 99 F404 aircraft engines, but not a single engine has been delivered yet. The delay has pushed back the deadline for the first LCA Mk1A, initially planned for February 2024, to an indefinite date. As an interim measure, HAL plans to install used engines on the initial batch of jets, highlighting the urgency of the situation. Prime Minister Modi and Defense Minister Rajnath Singh have flagged the delay during their US visits, with GE promising deliveries by March-April 2025. Penalties have been levied multiple times according to the contract clauses, but the delays persist, straining bilateral ties. The delay is attributed to financial woes faced by GE's South Korean partner, but the schism between India and the US seems insurmountable. The IAF is down to its 1965 fighter jet squadron strength, with only 31 squadrons against the required 42, making the need for new jets critical. The government is cautious after the political fallout from the direct purchase of 36 Rafale from France, weighing options for the 114 MRFA. India's history with the US is checkered, from the 1962 defeat against China to the US-led sanctions following India's 1998 nuclear tests. France has stood by India through thick and thin, offering strategic independence in military jet engine technology, unlike the US. The US backstabbing continued during the 1999 Kargil conflict, denying India satellite-based navigation assistance, leading India to develop its own NAVIC system. As geopolitical tensions rise, the future of India-US defense ties hangs in the balance. Stay tuned as we unravel this complex relationship. Keep watching for more insights and updates. If you found this video informative, consider subscribing for more in-depth defense analysis and news update.